Hello, we are the Pearl. We are from Russian Federation, Siberia, the town Bratsk. Our main attraction is the Bratsk hydroelectric power station. It is called the Pearl of Energy. That's why we decided to name our team the Pearl.
My name is Andrei, I'm 14. I'm quite into programming and electronics. I like to take part in the Olympiads and competitions. I dream of becoming a programmer.
Hello, my name is Alexei. I'm 12. I'm really keen on robotics and computer game. I dream of becoming power engineer.
My name is Evelina. I am 11. I enjoy reading books and drawing very much. I dream of becoming a police officer.
My name is Angelica. I'm 15. I'm interested in dancing and photography. I dream becoming of a cinematographer.
Hello, my name is Lisa. I'm 16. I'm a big fan of dancing and learning foreign languages. In the future, I want to become a translator.